Fully automatic encasing line integrates automatic case opening, packing, sealing, and stacking process in one. Adopts stepper motor drive system for high precision. We can customize various products types, bottles, sachets, cans, boxes, etc. to arrange and combine for turnaround, mixing and other packing modes. The production line is controlled by touch screen, which is easy to operate, and features a variety of security protection functions. It is widely used in pharmaceutical, medical, food, daily chemical and other industries,